So now I'm in Coonoor. I'm come on the toy train station, and this will be my first toy train ride. So I'll show you all the journey. I'm going to go on a 4 o'clock train. This is not my train, so it will come once this goes. My train will come, so I will show you all how it is going to be. So this is how is the Coonoor station, the toy train station with all vintage buildings, the old buildings. This train is from Ooty, comes to Coonoor and then goes to Mettupalayam. This is the last stop. This is a 3-hour journey from Ooty to Mettupalayam. And the train has started its journey to Mettupalayam station.
You all can see the steam engine from the Queen of Hills, that is Ooty. The construction of this railway began in 1891 and the line was opened for public use in 1908. So it's around 125 years now. The train is running on this route for public.
Bye.
This heritage railway was built by Britishers and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site today.
Bye. And now we are waiting for our train to come.
For the tickets, you all can book the tickets on IRCTC website. But you all need to note one thing, that if you all want the ticket, then you all need to book at least 2 months prior to the date of journey.
And this is my train. And this is my train which has arrived. And I'm going to go for an 1 hour journey from Coonoor to Uduppa Mandalam, that is. And the train has started its journey from Coonoor. You can see. My first toy train journey. This is the train sitting area. The Nilgiri Mountains. The road goes from a nice valley with scenic view of mountain, Nilgiri Mountain.
So now the train is going in the tunnel, and this is the first tunnel of the journey.
The old tunnel, heritage tunnel. Now we are going in the third tunnel. I feel this is the longest tunnel.
So if I talk about the cost of the journey, it's 150 rupees for second class, and for the first class it's 350 rupees, and they provide some snacks in first class, so the charges are more for first class.
And finally, after 1 or 15 minutes, we are into Ooty. You can see the mountains, clouds touching the mountain. You can see Udoga Mandalam, meaning Ooty.